Okay, so we're going to go on and talk about density. The density of a product really says how heavy is a certain amount of it. So we talk about the weight per unit volume, and this is normally expressed as grams per mil. And so what you might have is the way it's expressed might well be that glycerol has a weight per mil of 1.26 grams. So for every mil that you have, it weighs 1.26 grams. And if we know that, we can convert either a volume to a weight or weight to a volume. What that means is when you get a formula with an amount expressed as a weight, you can then convert that into a volume or the other way around. Hopefully you're familiar with the idea that different things have a different density. So foam is very light. So in 1 cubic centimeter, you get it's going to be very, very light indeed. Whereas for iron, a cubic centimeter is going to hurt if it hits you. So because it's pretty heavy. So how does this help us with calculations? Well, let's look at a typical type of question that you might get. And one question might be, convert 25 mils of liquid X to its equivalent weight. We are told that the density, the weight per mil, is 0.65 grams. That's our weight per mil. So for every mil of this it weighs 0.6 grams. Okay, so that's the question. How do we go about it? So you know what's coming next, I'm sure. Let the weight of 25 mil of liquid X be Y. So we don't yet know what the weight is, so we're calling it Y. And we're going to set up proportional sets. And if you wish, you can cheer, because obviously this is very exciting to have proportional sets again. We love proportional sets. And the reason is because they're very simple. So we know that we have the weight of this liquid X, we're told, is 0.65 grams in every 1 mil. Now we know that we've got 25 mils, so we need to know what weight that is. And again, when we play about with the equation, then we get to 16.25. So we know that it's 16.25 grams in 25 mils. Okay, how does that help? So let's imagine you're a pharmacist and you are asked to prepare 25 grams of an ointment, and you're given a formula which looks like this. So you've got zinc oxide 10 grams, liquid paraffin 15 mils, and yellow soft paraffin to 100 grams. So can you do that as it is? Calculate the final formula for 25 grams of the ointment. What do you reckon? Look carefully at these. No. As it is, you can't do that because you need to convert the amount of liquid paraffin to grams so you can weigh it out. Go on, you know how we're going to do this, don't you? We need the density of the liquid paraffin, which we're told is 0.88 grams per mil. And the weight of the liquid paraffin is Y, so here we go, proportional sets again. So our liquid paraffin, this is our density that we've been told, 0.88 grams per mil. We know we need to make 15 mils, So we work that out, which comes to 13.2 grams. So therefore 15 mils of liquid paraffin weighs 13.2 grams. So the formula we've now made it 10 grams of zinc oxide, 13.2 grams of liquid paraffin to 100 grams of yellow soft paraffin. Hang on a minute. The question asks for 25 grams. So we have to calculate how much we need for 25 grams. So we need to divide the above formula by 100 over 25, which gives us 4. So we divide it all by 4, and that gives us very approximately 2.5 grams of zinc oxide, 3.3 grams of liquid paraffin, and 25 grams of yellow soft paraffin. I hope that's made sense. It's a fairly simple idea. This was Confucius, great philosopher. So he's your inspirational person for today.